Hi my wonderful people, welcome to another video. Beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen where whisk meets wisdom and butter turns into blessings. Today I'm taking you on a sweet ride, not just to fluffiest cupcakes in town, but also to the heart of why we bake, with love, purpose, and a little sprinkle of hustle. Now this isn't your Instagram type cupcake with all the toppings shouting for attention. No. These are business cupcakes, humble, profitable, fluffy, and ready to make you money while you sleep. You see, these cupcakes started in my kitchen, but they are about to find their way into shops, lunch boxes, and every street corner. The secret is simplicity, smartness, and that chef style trick of separating egg whites and yolks. Do not say I did not tell you. I remember the first time I learned to separate egg whites properly, I ended up with yolk in my lashes. Don't even ask me how. But today we do it like pros. The egg white adds that light melt in your mouth magic, while the caustic soda is our silent warrior, keeping things fresh and market ready. This is baking with business in mind, and my apron is my office suit. Now let me tell you about Moshumola. She's not just a student, she's a whole inspiration. Warm, hardworking, and determined. When she told me she wanted to start selling cupcakes, I smiled. Not the owl type of smile, but the girl go collect your millions kind of smile. I made this video especially for her, and if you are like her, dreaming of a baking business, this is your sign. No fancy toppings, no drama, just a cupcake that sells. That's how you build a brand. You give people what they need, not just what's cute for social media. Let me also remind you, baking business is not always soft life. You bake till your back screams, your kitchen looks like flour explosion, and you might even cry into your butter sometimes. But keep it going, because one day your little oven hustle will pay rent, pay school fees, or even send you on vacation. My beautiful Moshumola, this one's for you. May your cupcake business rise like years and never fall like puff-puff on a rainy day. And to everyone watching, if this recipe blesses you, bless someone by sharing it. Remember, in life and baking, don't rush the process, don't skip the secret, and don't let anyone tell you simple doesn't sell. So here we are, my beautiful people, standing at the end of another sweet but free journey. If you've made it this far, it means you are either a real cupcake lover or a future millionaire baker, or someone who just loves gists. And either way, you are at the right place. Let me tell you something. These cupcakes might look simple, but they carry plenty weight. They represent hard work, smart decisions, and the kind of hustle that pays. No sprinkles, no whipped cream, just pure fluffy business strategy in every bite. Overdose, so fluffy and yummy. This recipe is best for commercial use because it's not going to get bad on time. You can keep it for 3 days max, of which I'm not praying that your market should stay for 3 days without selling, okay? Do not get me wrong. 250 grams of butter gave me 30 pieces of cupcakes. Do your mathematics and let me know your profit in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget, subscribe, like, and share for more amazing recipes on this channel. I remain your favorite chef, Jenny. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.